This is Alex from the VM Media Group, and today we are unboxing the Halo 5 Limited Edition Xbox One. Let's get to it. I will go ahead and open up the box. Looks like some armor for Halo 5. Got Xbox or Halo 5. It doesn't come with a disc, it comes with the downloadable game, so that'll be great. Some Xbox Live, and then a bunch of Halo Limited Edition stuff, but we won't get into that. We're greeted with the limited edition controller with it, which actually feels pretty nice. It's got some like grip on it. Quite nice. And then of course the AA batteries. Ooh. The Xbox One chat headset.
Quality equipment.
Looks like real quality. Anyway, normal power cable, don't care. HDMI cable, whatever. Power brick. It is what it is. I see there's a quick start guide. Get all this out. Heavy. Oh, it's got like tissue paper on the inside. Go ahead, just set it down. What an odd thing, tissue paper. As you can see, this is of course the limited edition, so looks a lot different than the normal console. It's like gray. It's actually not piano black fingerprint shit on it, so that's good. And then got some blue accents in the grill.
I think this one actually looks nicer than the standard one.
Yeah. And then this is also a 1 terabyte console, so it has a bigger hard drive as well. And of course it doesn't have Kinect, because nobody likes Kinect. Some emblems and whatnot. And then of course we have the I/O, power, HDMI out to TV, the port that nobody will ever use from a cable box. You got your USBs. That one's dumb. IR doesn't matter. And then Ethernet. And then the warranty sticker.
So you won't be soldering fans into this?
No, I won't be. And then on here we have another USB port, and then the controller syncing, which is of course in the blue metallic. We'll go ahead and set it up. We'll be back. It says hello from Seattle in there. So at least they're thinking of us. Alright.
Fire in the hole.
English.
What a name.
Well, we have the Xbox set up. And it didn't come with the game disc, so it's been cranking a while here. So
That's the download. It is 60 gigabytes.
yeah. Solid.
We're still Team NVIDIA Shield.
Yeah.
Do not support this purchase, bud. No.
What a no.
It's recording, so we'll just edit this part out and then
Alright, bud.
yeah, do like an intro.
Now that all that's out of the way, we can finally get into the unboxing here. Please turn the light on.
You want me to?
No.
Just for the actual box.
Yeah.
It's recording. So. Fire in the hole.
I didn't expect that sound.
Did anyone?
Did that come directly from it?
Yeah. And now I assume this is the console unless they just put bricks in here. Oh shit.